Hello and welcome. Happy holidays. Today we're going to be checking out Festival of Lights at Tradewinds Park in Coconut Creek, Florida.
Thank you, Bo. Oh, okay, thanks.
Good morning. Happy holidays. Merry Christmas. Happy Hanukkah if you celebrate any holidays. Even if you don't, hopefully you have a day off and have some time to relax. I'm just waking up and the plan is to bake up some Danish, cherry Danish. And I've never made cherry pie filling, so I'm gonna make that for the first time and cook those up and get over to Mike's later. tonight's also the first night of Hanukkah, so we're gonna light up our menorahs, my family. We're gonna be doing that and just enjoy the day because I got 2 days off this year. I'm very excited about that. Usually I don't get Christmas Eve off, so it was nice to have 2 consecutive days off and have kind of a shorter week. It's been nice. And I have more days off coming up just randomly for holidays, and I'm just very happy about that. It's nice to have some relaxation time. Hopefully you're also enjoying any kind of relaxation time. So anyways, off to make the Danish, and I hope you're having a great holiday. This video is probably gonna definitely come out after the holidays, so hopefully that's okay, but I wanted to share anyways. Washed my cherries, they look really good, and I realized I have to pit them. I do not know how to pit cherries an easy way, so I looked it up and it actually worked. It pitted the cherry very well. So basically you take a funnel, put the cherry in, and use the straw to kind of push out the cherry pit, and it works so perfectly. So anyways, the cherry is in here. You take the straw and you push it down, and then the pit will come out. So, okay. And there is the pit. And that was so easy. That was kind of a messy activity, but it was pretty fun. The straw, I ended up ditching the funnel and just used the straw in my hands, and it worked out so perfectly. I would definitely use this method again as it just cleans out the cherries so well. This is right after it gets out of the oven. I think it's gonna flatten out just a little bit from what's happened before. All right, so Mike has just come to pick me up. Happy holidays.
Oh, sorry, I don't know why, but yes, Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays. Yes.
So the pastry is all packed up. I made one in the way that I was supposed to do it for this new recipe that I was following, but I just made a log. I stuck with what I knew. Yeah, so we're just heading out to celebrate, and I hope you're having a great holiday day also.
Yes.
So I wanted to share my holiday headband that I have. It's pretty cute. It's all metal, so I thought it was gonna be super uncomfortable. I got it off of Amazon last minute, but it doesn't even feel like anything, surprisingly, and it didn't give me a headache, so that's a win for the headband.
It's beautiful.
I don't know why that's so cute.
See, the tail's moving too, that's funny.
I can't see that far, but that's funny. Hello, and thank you so much for watching this video. I kind of wanted to end off saying Happy New Year since it is Tuesday the 31st, and Mike and I are I'm all set. I'm waiting for Mike to pick me up now, and we're gonna check out Nosferatu. I'm super curious how it is. If you've seen it or are excited to see it, let me know how it is, or if you're excited to see it also. We figured tonight wouldn't be too busy at the movie theaters. Do people go on New Year's Eve to the movies? We usually stay in, or in the past we have gone out to see fireworks locally, not at a big crowded place this year. So I'm super excited for the movie. I haven't seen any of the trailers or anything, maybe just little pieces, but not enough to spoil anything, so I'm super curious. I was telling everyone Happy New Year's and that we're gonna see Nosferatu today.
Yes, we're looking forward to it. I am very excited. The Protected Theater is empty.
Very empty.
Looking forward to have some fun and watching some vampires.
We're back from the movie. What do you think?
It was fantastic. A lot of similarities to Dracula. In case you haven't watched the Gary Oldman version, very, very, very good.
So good.
The makeup was outstanding. I didn't recognize Skirgari at first, but very well done. I'll see it again for sure. I don't know if you would.
It took me a while to get into the movie, and there were some distractions in the theater, but it's okay. By the end, I was really into it, and the ending was very good.
Yeah, I didn't expect the ending at all. It totally, I kind of had an idea of how it was going to end from based upon the movies I've seen, but it definitely threw me a curveball. So it was, I definitely go see it for sure.
Yeah, I want to see it again also because I had some questions about things, and I think rewatching it makes things clear. But we are literally on time to watch the ball drop and kind of get cozy and watch the ball drop.
Yes. So, your glass of champagne or wherever you use to celebrate and bring in the new year with us.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Clink.